Mr. Tina, woman go kill you.
Alpha, hey baby. Alpha now. That's what I tell you. You don't reason them. You don't reason them.
I just solve.
I'm not sure say it go work.
Jesus.
Work. See, let me tell you, I get money.
You only you waka come.
They kidnap people. Last week they kidnapped my oga. I heard someone say make I know go so people say I get money.
70 years old man.
I don't know. I don't even notice you for this estate.
You don't know me for this?
No, I don't know.
Now maybe only get man, the new get man for this estate will get level, will get vibe. 2 months. Fisherman 2 months. Sadan Avenue now. As I was saying, now that avenue now I do my work. Okay. See, just picking now. you know, I find this girl now.
Here is God. Oh.
I find this girl.
You find her?
Ha! So I find her.
What happened now? Why?
Now only 2 weeks still last, so he complains say I don't get money. You know that this girl now only 2 weeks me and him friend. Because she say I don't get money. I like him. She fine well. She get money, she probably get money. But I don't know why she leave me. Yeah, you know there. Okay, now that you there.
For vanishing.
No problem. You
You don't know why it's going on.